as customers look to protect their new flooring investment from moisture-related issues. LATICRETE Vapor Band Primer ER is there to help control the moisture vapor emission rate from new or existing concrete slabs. Water plus pressure is a recipe for costly repairs, both in time and money, as this issue can degrade adhesives, causing floor failures. This revolutionary product is a moisture barrier and primer for self-leveling underlayments all in one. Being able to eliminate the typical priming procedure after a moisture barrier is placed saves on labor, time, and material costs. Its epoxy-based formula has a rapid cure time of just 3 hours. That doesn't include the additional time saved by skipping a step. Vapor Band Primer ER meets the most aggressive testing in the industry, achieving a 0.1 perm rating and reducing the moisture vapor emission rate to below 25 pounds. As always, refer to the product data sheet for specific mixing, application, and other performance attributes. Start by removing any leftover contamination, such as adhesives. A CSP of 1 to 3 is required. If there are any cracks bigger than 1/8 of an inch, Vapor Band Primer ER can be mixed with dry sand, creating a repair mortar. Once a surface is clean and prepared, the application can begin. If the concrete slab has not been subjected to any contamination, Vapor Band Primer ER can be applied without the need of additional prep. Please see the product data sheet for additional information. Begin pouring the A component into the larger B component steel pail. Verify that all of the Part A liquid has drained from the pail. Mix with a slow speed drill of 300 RPM with a jiffy blade for 2 minutes, assuring mixture is fully uniform. Do not leave the mixed material in the pail and begin the application process right away. Pour ribbons onto the prepared concrete slab. Spread Vapor Band Primer ER using a 3/16 inch notched squeegee. Make sure to overlap previous passes to ensure a uniform application. Notched squeegees should be inspected for wear, as this can alter applied thicknesses. You will then have to roll with a 3/8 inch nap non-shedding roller in the opposite direction to the ridges, creating a flat and smooth surface. Always verify you have the correct thickness with a mill gauge. 16 millimeters is required. A unit of Vapor Band Primer ER will yield approximately 240 square feet. After 3 hours, you can use any NXT or SuperCap self-leveling underlayment. It requires no sand broadcast or additional primers. Lower your material and labor costs and get more done in less time. A large range of our LATICRETE tile and stone adhesives can be used as well. With a best-in-class open time, Vapor Band Primer ER maintains adhesion performance for 24 hours after its application. LATICRETE self-leveling underlayments are not restricted in their capabilities, unlike other systems on the market. You're able to choose from a wide variety of performance attributes. And no matter what your needs, LATICRETE has all you need. Vapor Band Primer ER, a preferred choice by experienced contractors nationwide. Learn more about our products at LATICRETE.com and by viewing our comprehensive LATICRETE University video tutorials.